Good morning. It is about 7:45 in the morning on May 12th. I am going to harvest all of our corn. We're right within that window. We're a little late harvesting it, but we had some for supper last night and it was so good. So I'm going to be harvesting all of our corn today, and I'm really blessed with how well and how many ears we got. So come along with me. This beautiful corn. We've got some. Look at that. Look at that ear. Look at this. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay, it did not get pollinated, I guess, enough to fill all this in, but this part looks beautiful. Not bad. Not bad. I think it's great for our first successful time. Just a few stalks so far, and we've got an armful of corn. Look at this. I've harvested one side of the garden. Got a wheelbarrow full. Not sure if you can tell much, but it's brimming over. So I've got to go and throw these in the cold room or in the AC room where we have the potatoes curing. I gotta leave them in there until I can process it all. All right, here I am in the shed and where the potatoes are curing, and I have just placed the corn over there. I know it's probably not the best way to store it, but it's just until now, and for now, until I can process it further. And here is the second wheelbarrow load of corn. So I think we got two pretty good loads. The first one was a little fuller. This is super exciting, y'all.